Mabuhay! Andito ako ngayon sa Merida. Merida ay ang lungsod sa probinsya ng Extremadura sa bansang Spain at ito ay located sa western central part of the Iberian Peninsula. At dito matatagpuan ang Roman Theater. It was built as part of entertainment for Roman theatrical performances during ancient Rome. And since 1933, it houses the International Festival of Classical Theater of Merida at ito ay dineklarang World Heritage Site by UNESCO in 1993. The theater is the most famous and visited landmark in Spain, and it is regarded as a Spanish cultural icon and was chosen as one of the 12 treasure of Spain. And yun lamang, maraming salamat po. Ito pa rin po ang inyong lingkod. Maganda na! Mabuhay! Ciao! Please like and subscribe!